Welcome to Hands-On Vibe Development, Mastering AI-Assisted Coding. This video is your guide to building software by describing what you want and letting AI write the code. We'll cover the mindset, tools, and workflows that are reshaping software creation. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the AI Foundations and Career Guidance series. We begin with Chapter 1, The Vibe Coding Revolution. Discover how this new paradigm is rewriting the rules of software development, focusing on conversation rather than syntax. What is vibe coding? It is AI-assisted software development, where you describe your application in natural language, replacing traditional line-by-line coding. This shifts the focus to rapid prototyping and iterative refinement, with AI translating your vision into functional software in real time. The rise of vibe coding from 2025 to 2026 shows its rapid evolution. Starting as a buzzword in early 2025, tools quickly matured mid-year with better context awareness. By 2026, it is a disciplined methodology combining AI tools, test-driven development, and human oversight. Vibe coding lets you go from idea to code in minutes. The barrier between imagination and implementation has never been thinner. Simply describe your vision, watch it materialize, and refine it until it's exactly right. Vibe coding matters because it democratizes creation, allowing non-coders to build real software while accelerating workflows for experienced developers. It shifts the focus from syntax to creativity and problem-solving, unlocking speed so prototypes can be built in minutes instead of weeks. Chapter 2 focuses on the vibe coding mindset. Before using any tools, you must calibrate how you think. The right mindset is crucial for moving from frustration to flow. To think like a vibe coder, describe outcomes, not implementation, focusing on features and behaviors. Treat the AI as a junior engineer. Delegate small tasks and review output carefully. Finally, embrace rapid feedback loops for quick iteration. For your mental framework setup, prepare for flow by configuring your environment for minimal friction. Also, set clear session goals beforehand. A clear objective maximizes productivity and prevents scope creep. Let's address common misconceptions. Vibe coding is not low quality. It's rapid prototyping that requires polish and testing. And importantly, AI is a collaborator, not a replacement. Human judgment and quality oversight remain essential. Chapter 3 covers the tools of the trade. The right platform is vital for a good vibe coding experience. We'll look at what's leading the pack in 2026. Top vibe coding platforms in 2026 include Lovable, great for non-coders; Cursor, an AI-native IDE for developers; Bolt.new, the fastest for browser-based prototypes; and Replit, offering a full dev environment with one-click deployment. Here is a quick guide for choosing your tool. Lovable is for non-coders, Bolt.new for speed, Cursor for developers wanting control, and Replit for immediate deployment. Remember, many professionals use multiple tools depending on the project phase. This is the Vibe Coding Toolkit. The best vibe coders understand when to use each platform, matching the tool's strengths to the project's needs and their own skill level. Chapter 4 walks through the hands-on vibe coding workflow. We'll examine the 5 powerful steps from blank canvas to deployed application. Step 1. Define your idea clearly. Clarity is everything. Start with a crisp, outcome-focused description of what you want. Focus on features and behaviors, like building a task manager with search and filters, and let the AI handle the technical how. Step 2. Generate your first version. Expect about 80% accuracy initially. The AI captures the core structure and functionality. Use conversational follow-up prompts to refine features incrementally, narrowing the gap between your description and your vision. Step 3. Iterate with small prompts. Focused prompts yield the best results. Whether you're adding a dark mode, fixing button alignment, or improving UX, stick to incremental changes to keep the AI on track. Step 4. Test and debug in flow. If something breaks, describe the unexpected behavior to the AI instead of diagnosing the technical cause. Maintain a continuous cycle of human review and AI-assisted correction. Step 5. Polish and deploy. The final mile matters. Adjust spacing, colors, and responsiveness until it feels right. Then, use platforms like Replit, Vercel, or GitHub Pages for single-click deployment. Chapter 5 presents real-world vibe coding examples. Let's move beyond theory and see vibe coding in action with 2 hands-on case studies. In one case study, a podcast analytics dashboard was created in 15 minutes. By prompting the AI to visualize podcast metrics with search and a topic finder, a fully functional analytics app was produced, ready for deployment with minimal edits. Our task management app walkthrough demonstrates the full loop, describing core features, iterative refinement, live debugging, and final polishing. This shows how incremental prompting leads to a working application from a blank canvas. The before and after comparison highlights the vibe coding difference. A rough AI-generated prototype is transformed through iterative prompting into a polished, production-ready application, all without traditional coding. Chapter 6 covers lessons learned and pitfalls to avoid. We'll help you skip the learning curve by highlighting the most common traps experienced by vibe coders. Common gotchas include fragile architecture due to over-reliance on AI, falling into the rebuild trap by not preferring small changes, and overlooking security blind spots in generated code. Experienced vibe coders recommend using test-driven development as a guardrail. Maintain rules files to ensure AI consistency. Always treat the AI as a capable junior developer. You set direction and review, and it executes the details. Chapter 7 is about advanced vibe development techniques. Ready to level up? These methods separate casual vibe coders from the true masters of the craft. A key technique is using modular process components, or MPCs. By breaking projects into reusable modules, you make AI-assisted development faster and more predictable. Reference existing modules, like an authentication or data visualization component, instead of regenerating them. We also integrate AI agents and automation. Go beyond manual prompting by using agents to automate tasks like generating boilerplate code or running test suites. Combining vibe coding with CI/CD pipelines ensures production readiness. Future trends point to smarter models with deeper context awareness and more seamless IDE integrations. Ultimately, this leads to the creation of software at scale, empowering millions of new builders worldwide. The future of coding is truly here. The line between thinking and building is vanishing. AI doesn't just assist, it amplifies human creativity into working software at unprecedented speed. Chapter 8, Getting Started Today. You now have the knowledge and the tools. It's time to take action and build something real. Follow this quick start checklist for your first vibe coding session. Choose your tool, prepare a clear idea, set up for flow, start small and iterate fast. And finally, deploy and share your work to get feedback. Embrace the vibe and build the future. Vibe coding eliminates the gap between ideas and working applications. With practice and the right tools, everyone can become a productive software creator. Join the revolution.